Good morning. We have scattered light rain to talk about this morning, mainly up in the northern mountains, the Jemez Mountains there, and up in the higher terrain in the northwest, so the west central mountains here. Seeing some shower activity, so north and east of Gallup and Grants all heading on to the east. Espanola seeing some spotty light rain and even seeing some of that get into the west slopes of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. And over near Las Vegas, some spotty light rain there. For the metro, things are mainly dry right now, but down to the south of Albuquerque, really east of Los Lunas here, moving to the east, we have some light showers to talk about there. And then over near Tucumcari and Grady, we're looking at some light rain moving to the east, and the Sacramento's getting some rain this morning as well. But again, all of it light. This is going to be fizzling out over the next couple of hours, and as we head into the afternoon, we will be looking at more showers and thunderstorms developing this afternoon for the southeast and even across the higher terrain in central and western New Mexico. And we may squeeze a shower out here in the metro area, but really, if we hang tight, this weekend is looking a lot better for us. High pressure finally losing its grip over us, which is really good news. That means the heat is going to subside, and we're also going to see better chances of rain. We have a weak cold front in place right now. That's what kicked off the showers and storms yesterday. That front will be around today, so again, a few more isolated storms to even widely scattered storms in the southeast, and again across the higher terrain today in central and western New Mexico. So we are going to be dealing with more moisture today. Then this weekend, this is when things look better for us. It's kind of a two-part punch. We're going to have another cold front move through. This one a little bit stronger. This one's going to cool us off more, and we're also going to tap into that monsoonal flow, so that means plenty of moisture to work with. We'll have this front to kind of get more things going, so we'll be looking at better chances of rain. Could even be a wet weekend across a lot of the state, getting some beneficial rain, so definitely keep a close eye on that. Of course, we'll have to watch for flooding along the burn scar, so we could certainly use the rain and of course a break from the heat too. Four Corners today, partly cloudy. 86 for Durango, 94 for Farmington. A slight chance we may see a shower or two up in the higher terrain today, but we'll be looking at better chances of rain this weekend with scattered showers and storms through early next week, and temps still in the 80s to low 90s. Down to the southwest, after lunchtime, we'll be watching for some thunderstorms to develop in the Gila and also in the Sacramento's. Those will become a little bit more widespread, and then tomorrow we'll be looking at fewer storms, but then ramp those storm chances back up again Sunday and Monday, and temperatures staying mainly in the mid to upper 80s for Silver City. Down in the southeast, again, a few scattered storms are possible this afternoon. The heat's still sticking around, still well above average, but better than yesterday. 100 for Roswell, 101 in Carlsbad. Roswell yesterday, you topped out at 106, which was another record for you. So it is going to be better, but we'll have to wait until the weekend to really get those temps below the century mark. Up in the northeast, a few thunderstorms are possible here. They could be moving eastward off the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. So once we get those going, that could bring us a chance for some rain up in the northeast. Las Vegas looking at scattered storms again this weekend and early next week, with temperatures coming down to highs only in the low 80s. Northern mountains partly cloudy with more thunderstorms developing this afternoon. Santa Fe may squeeze out a shower storm too today, but better chances again this weekend right on through Monday, and temps coming down, highs at 80 degrees this weekend. East mountains, more scattered storms will develop this afternoon. 90 for Tijeras, Estancia topping out in the upper 80s, and for the metro, it could be a little breezy at times. Otherwise partly cloudy with highs in the mid 90s. Slight chance we may get a stray thunderstorm in here today. Tomorrow partly cloudy, mainly dry, and then this weekend scattered storms sticking around through Monday, and then drier air moving in for Tuesday and Wednesday.
Students in